Hey guys, so I'm getting ready to leave on another trip and I've got my little bag right here, my little tiny personal item that I keep with me all the time. I have it all packed. However, there's one thing that I still need to get and it's from my kitchen drawer. And that might sound weird to have something from my kitchen drawer inside my little purse, but let me show you what it is. Dun, 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 dun. It's this item right here, this teeny tiny little spoon. Okay, so this little spoon right here, see, it's so small. I just put it right here in my kit, my little personal item. If I can get it open, the zipper gets stuck a little bit. So we're gonna just stick it right in here. You can see it just goes right inside the little pocket. Okay, let me tell you why I take this with me. So, if you ever fly internationally and you're given the lovely honor of having a meal on the flight, which you know that is not something that happens very often on flights these days, but international flights tend to have meals. So when they give you a meal, usually they used to do plastic utensils, but they're not doing that anymore because of the landfill waste, which is totally fine. I totally am fine with that. They give you these wooden utensils and it's not for me. Wooden utensils give me like literally the heebie-jeebies. Like I can't handle it. Like I never liked popsicle sticks as a kid. Like, eating the last part of like an ice cream bar or a popsicle, like no thank you. I just can't handle the feeling in my mouth of that wood. It just gives me the creeps. So anyway, I just can't do it with the wooden utensils. Like, I'll figure it out if I have to, but I would definitely prefer not to have to. So that's why I bring my little spoon. So when I'm on the flight, I just leave their little utensils. I don't need them. And I just like eat with my spoon. And then when I'm done, because oftentimes they'll give you like a little wet wipe or something to like kind of wipe down after your meal. I'll use that to wipe down my spoon and I'll just put it back in my purse. So, and this is a part of my purse that I'm not like putting my money and stuff like that. That's disgusting. This is an area of my little bag that I just have things that are going to be clean all the time. Okay. So let's just get that out of the way before you start freaking out. So anyway, so it's not just good on the flight. I use this thing all over the place. So like say I'm going into a grocery store and I want to buy some yogurt. I'm in Germany, I'm buying my favorite yogurt. Well, guess what? I got a spoon. I can eat that thing on the go as I'm walking along the city streets. I can eat it back at the hostel. I just have the spoon with me everywhere. And once again, I just wipe it down when I'm done and I stick it back in the purse. When I was in India, I had read ahead of time that they're like, okay, no matter where you go, even if you go to a nice restaurant, make sure you wipe down your utensils before you use them. And I noticed I was with a friend of mine he's from there. And that's literally what he did. As soon as the utensils came, he wiped them all down. And I was like, oh, okay, this must be a thing. So I actually didn't even use any of the utensils because I just figured, well, if we're worried that they're clean and I don't want to make sure that they're super clean, so I'll just use my own clean spoon that I know is clean. So I would even pull that out there, and that's the utensil that I used when I was in India. Every single time I went someplace, boom, out came the utensil, my little spoon, and that's what I ate with. So, granted, there's sometimes you need a fork it's easier to eat with a fork, like a salad or something. I'll just have to make do because I used to have a spork, just the camping sporks where it's a spoon on one end and then a spoon-ish kind of fork on the other end. And then but it got taken away from me by security at the airport in Belfast. So I lost my spork and I was really upset on that particular experience because I was heading to Iceland and I really needed a spoon because I was planning on eating food in the car as I was driving. So on the road on my long drive. So anyway, that is why I always carry this little spoon with me and it has helped me throughout all of my travels. So if that's something that sounds interesting to you, it's just right in your kitchen drawer, guys. You just pull one out and there you go. So drop me a comment in the comment section below. Let me know, is this something that you would take or maybe you do take, or do you have another system that maybe would even be better than what I'm doing? So let me know, guys. I'm always up for new ideas. Mine isn't the best one. I just tell you what I'm currently doing right now.